Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Flutter series. In this series, we'll be talking all about Flutter. So, with that said, let's jump right into our video. नमस्कार सम्पूर्णलाई आजको यस भिडियोमा हामीले डिभाइस प्याकेज डिभाइस प्रिभ्यू प्याकेजको बारेमा कुराकानी गर्नेछौँ र यो प्याकेज भनेको कस्तो प्याकेज हो भने यदि हजुरलाई रेस्पोन्सिभ आफ्नो एपको रेस्पोन्सिभनेस चेक गर्न छ भने देन यु क्यान युज दिस प्याकेज फर एक्जाम्पल if you are making the layouts for many screen sizes or in production level app, you need to check the responsiveness of the app if it is working fine in various devices or not. So for that you need to check on different mobile devices, different emulators. For that you need to install different emulators on your machine. So to minimize this you can use one package simply, and the name of the package is device preview. So what this package is about: first of all, you need to install this package from pop.dev. So I will go to pop.dev, and then you can search device preview, and this package is really handy, and you can also test your code on the browsers and also on the Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems with just installing this package. By just installing this package, you don't need to again reload or restart or again debug on the various devices. You can just test with the help of this package by just debugging into one operating system, or one operating system, like even in mobile, Android, iOS, or any other. So this is the one. And not only that, it also help you in localization. It changes help you to change the localization of your app. So you can see here this is what it looks like, and you can, so first of all you need to install. I will show you the preview in my machine. So first of all, either you can run this command or simply you can add this in the popspec.yaml file, and then you can do pop-get. After that, you need to import this package in the main.dart file. And one thing what you need to remember is you need to import the file here in the main.dart file, and you have to wrap your my app with the device preview widget. So after wrapping this with the device preview widget, what you need to do, you need to make it enabled is equal to true. You need to set enabled true, because if enabled is false, then it will not give you the result. For production level, means when it is ready for production, development is over, then at that time you can remove this. You can even remove this whole package, or just you can say this false. And the second thing what you need to do is you need to, in the material app, you need to set the local and builder to device preview.local and device preview.appbuilder. So is that clear? I hope that is clear. So you need to write these two lines of code, and after that when you will run, then you will see something like this. Wait, I will show you. So yeah, this is, I'm running it on mobile devices. If you are running in emulators, so you'll get something similar. So you can also disable these things and see your preview on your own emulator or mobile devices, and then you can enable and check on different mobile devices. So here a small phone I have selected. Also you can see here for the iOS, for the Android, for the Mac operating system, Windows, Linux, and all are here. So you can test on all those devices. So on Android, I've tested on Apple or iOS. Let's test on iPhone. You can see here there are a list of devices. So let's select this, and it will give you the preview of that. So on iPhone 11 Pro, your UI will look something like this, and if something is pixelating or some layout issue have occurred, then you can fix that by using this. And also you can also test if you are building your apps on the multiple platforms. Let's say you are building on web. So for web, I think you can check. So for web, the preview is not given. Only you can check on these all things. So on Windows also you can check. You can select the Windows screen, and then you can see it looks something like this. So yeah, and also you have another thing, this hide frame. You can hide the frame, and you can check your app, and also show keyboard. The keyboard will be shown, hide keyboard, and localization also. You can choose your language, and this will convert your app into the same language. I hope that is clear. So yeah, these all things you can do with this package. And also let's check it on this is the Mac operating system, and let's check it on Samsung Galaxy S20. So yeah, this is the big screen size you can see, and also you can uh, hide display the hide frame we did. You can display the frame, and you can see the preview easily. So hope you like this video, and you have got something important which will make you to build your app more responsive, and you can test the responsiveness of your app clearly. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, just smash the like button and subscribe our channel for more such updates. And also if you have any queries or any problems related to Flutter, then you can just comment below and we'll fix it together. So that's all for today. Thank you.